Today, I'm so excited to share with you the benefits of herbal medicine, but I'm not talking about drinking the herbs. Instead, I want to share with you the incredible world of herbal medicinal foot soaks that can help with infertility, endometriosis, and PCOS. Anyone who has one of these diagnoses could benefit from adding these herbal foot soaks to their self-care regimen. But often I have clients and patients that have infertility due to endometriosis or infertility due to PCOS. So if you have any of those diagnoses, have a listen. I've been using these specific formulas for over 5 years now since they first became available in the US. I was really fortunate to be one of the first adopters. I've used them extensively in my clinic with fertility patients, pregnant patients, only after week 37, 38 specifically, because we are prepping for labor or if there's a labor stall. There's also some herbs that you can drink internally, but we're focusing on the foot soaks today. And also I've worked with a ton of endometriosis patients. This helps their pain extensively. It also helps with low energy and just that horrible blah. It's hard to get out of bed. Do a foot soak. And I've helped PCOS patients, which has helped with circulation and hormone balancing as well. And for those of you who don't know me, I'm Dr. Gina Rosella Terranoni. I've helped over 2,000 women and couples become pregnant and have healthy babies over the last 23 plus years. All the videos that you see on my channel have at least one actionable fertility tip for you to take the same day that you watch the video. Drop me a line below with the word feet, and I'm happy to send you more information on the benefits of foot soaks because they go on and how you can get them if you're interested. Because they are also helpful for pain, migraines, heart conditions, circulation overall. There's an extensive list of what they're helpful for because we're looking at treating root causes of pains and discomforts and fertility and endometriosis, PCOS. They balance the core issue that can cause everything else that comes out of it. Let's dive into the ancient world of Tibetan medical foot soaks, a secret of traditional healing that's now shared globally, thankfully. These foot soaks originated from the ethnically Tibetan region in South China, and they combine rare Tibetan and Chinese herbs in the foot soaks that were once reserved for emperors and spiritual leaders. And let's look at the unique environment of that region. It's high altitude, pristine condition, gives these herbs special properties, making them potent for various health benefits. I believe they grow at about 12,000 feet. So any kind of an herb or a plant that can survive at that altitude, props. They're like hardy herbs. I live at almost 10,000 feet, and that's a challenging thing to do. The foot soaks have a very specific formula that integrate herbal strategies from across the Himalayas, creating a powerful blend for health and wellness. The foot soaks include 8 specific herbs and several special minerals, each symbolizing the sacred symbols of Tibetan Buddhism. Now, this synergy is not just about physical healing, but also about aligning with spiritual aspects of well-being. And most of the herbs in these foot soaks have a direct function to improve blood circulation, which is important for womb health, to get pregnant, and regulating hormones and releasing pain and discomfort from the body. One of the herbs inside the formula is known for stopping hemorrhaging, promoting red blood cell production, and also acts as an antioxidant. It's balanced with other herbs in the formula that have blood-thinning properties. This is such a crucial benefit for women who have endometriosis and pain and reoccurrences of pain due to endometrial tissue growing. Another herb inside the formula, highly regarded and traditionally used for arthritic pain. It works as an anti-inflammatory and pain regulator. It's also effective in managing heart rate irregularities. Tibetan rhodiola in the mix enhances blood oxygenation and boosts immune function, making it incredibly beneficial for fertility health, as well as chronic fatigue and long-term pain that's related to endometriosis. additional herbs in the formula also work to lower cholesterol, reduce clotting, and offer cardioprotective benefits. This aspect is particularly crucial as most blood clots causing heart attacks and strokes originate in the legs, and you can see all the focus on blood and proper circulation, which is the number one focus for women who are trying to conceive. And if it's not their focus, it really should be, because we have to come back to the menstrual cycle to get information on what's going on in the entire body. There's also focus with the foot soaks on tranquilizing effects of some of the herbs, beneficial for relaxation, bacterial control, digestive regulation, important for diseases involving gut-brain axis, which we often see with infertility issues and endometriosis. These aspects are crucial for holistic care affecting both physical and mental health states. And as we go deeper, we look at how the foot soaks work through the skin. So they're penetrating the skin. That is so nice, because if you have sensitivity in your gut, you don't have to take herbs or pills or giant vitamins or supplements. You can soak your feet and they get absorbed. And you're talking about using terpenes, alkaloids, volatile oils for systemic effects. This method, unlike topical patches or poultices, ensures deeper penetration, and it's more effective for circulation enhancement, and it's crucial for people that are more sedentary. And a lot of times, especially endometrial clients of mine, they're sedentary because they're in so much pain. So this is a nice way to get the blood circulation going so they're not in pain, and it can move out some of the blood stasis that's causing the pain. So the foot soaks, they not only address physical pain, they also influence emotional well-being, potentially offering relief to people who suffer from nerve pain, arthritis, fibromyalgia. And research is showing now that women who have endometriosis, if they're not working on clearing that and reducing endometriosis or eliminating it, then we're seeing a pattern now where as they get older, that turns into fibromyalgia, which is not a good thing. And also they help with chronic fatigue and various gynecological disorders, like I mentioned, infertility, endometriosis, but also looking at irregular menstrual cycles, painful menstrual cycles, hormone dysregulation, and PCOS. And I'm sharing with you both traditional and scientific perspectives of the herbs that are in the foot soaks to help understand the holistic approach to health and well-being that's offered by these soaks. And the obvious beauty of having access to these foot soaks is you can easily work them into your self-care routine, making you way less dependent on going to a local healthcare practitioner. In fact, a ton of my patients I live in Colorado. They live hours away, so they're not always able to come see me. These are one of the tools, the foot soaks are one of the tools that I use with them often, and that enhances treatment and internal herbs as well. And then I do have clients out of state that obviously don't want to fly in, or sometimes they fly in. So it's very beneficial. So you're not dependent on seeing a physical person and taking time off from work and going to appointments, especially if you're going through fertility treatments or IVF cycle. You know that's a part-time job, pretty much. So you don't have time for all these extra appointments. Foot soaks are a nice thing that you can add in at the end of the day, and they're relaxing and they can help for sleep as well. So using the foot soaks support health, independence of care outside of the home, supports the earth, and supports the incredible people and culture that harvest the herbs at that elevation. Drop me a line in the comments if you would like to hear more about how to get these foot soaks, how to prepare them. It's super easy. They're so enjoyable, and you will get more comfort in your body, in your emotional body, in your physical body. And I would love to tell you more about the benefits of them.